What's going on? You too. We back. When I say we back with a banger. Banger, banger, banger. Something for y'all head tops. When I tell you, look here, man. I kept looking at these and I told y'all I procrastinate on some shoes just because I don't know how I feel at the moment when I see them. So I'll be like, I don't know if I really want them. So this shoe was like that. It was like, man, do I really want them? Do I really want to? And I was like, you know what? The quality is great. I shout out to the store Exhibition downtown Detroit. If y'all ever shopping or anything like that, I will try to put their information in the description. But yeah, when I tell you, these shoes gotta be, they different. They different, but they simple. And that's something that you ain't seen, man. I love simple, but also different. And it's going to set clothes off just crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. And when I say that, I'm talking about shorts. I'm talking about just pants, jeans, anything like that. Jogging pants, I think, will be one that will go with these. But enough talking about the shoes. Let's get into the shoes and let's talk about what I really like about them, what I'm really digging about them, and why I chose to get this instead of the other one. Hey, it is what it is. But let's get into it. Bam, 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 bam. As y'all see the box, y'all see what it say. Ambush, what's in the box? Yo, Ambush, shout out to y'all. Y'all keep coming with the different exclusives, different stuff, just off the wall stuff, and something that's gonna keep its, I don't want to say value because I'm not in it for the value, but something that's gonna keep aesthetically pleasing. Something if I put up here on the top shelf that y'all gonna be like, damn, what's them in the back? That's my thought. That's my thought when I see shoes, when I walk shoes. I don't want nobody else to have the same shoe I have. I got a problem with that, but that's something I'm working on. So, with needless to say, let's get into these. Let's talk about them. Yo, Ambush, y'all did y'all with this one. Yo, bang. Look at these right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's get them out. Set one to the side there. Get this other one out here. Bam, bam, bam. It has the Ambush paper, the Nike paper inside of it. Bam. Now mind you, I went with a 12. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. This is definitely Virgil Off-White vibes with the quality of leather they used on here. Smell like a Jordan 1. I ain't gonna hold you up. I ain't gonna hold you up. Look, man. The pictures don't do this no justice. And I'm telling y'all now, this camera that I'm using is not gonna do this no justice, man. This shoe right here it's got this blue pops so hard. And like I told y'all, this giving me Off-White vibes. And I think that's what they was going for. You got the tongue right here. Man, hey, you got Ambush on the insole and the inside on the bottom there. These right here, this right here. Yeah, that's like the plastic Nike sign, man. The leather, like the leather quality, like you not getting this on the regular Air Force One. You not getting it. You know how I know? Wait a minute. You know how I know? You're not getting it. And this ain't a regular Air Force One, but you're not getting it. You're not getting it on that. Like, you definitely not. You definitely not getting that on the regular Air Force One. And that's one reason I chose these. I chose to get them. I'm leaning on getting the second color, which is the green and gold one, I think it is. Green and gold or green, something like that. I'm leaning towards getting them just because I think it's definitely a shoe. Now, mind you, because they put premium leather and stuff on this, this shoe is heavy as F. I don't know if it's because the back tab to say Ambush there, they make it so heavy. Like, I don't know. But this shoe is heavier than any other Air Force One that I've held. You got the Ambush on the tongue there. Premium leather, premium. You got the Air Force One there, premium leather. These shoes do come with an extra set of laces, which is the yellow lace on it. Excuse me. And I honestly think this definitely is one of them shoes that you can get away with. People ain't gonna know. People gonna be looking at you like, what the hell he got on his feet? I'm a fan of different, and I'm gonna keep some different, like I always tell y'all. Damn, these heavy. Excuse me. Yo, but Ambush, shout out to y'all. Y'all definitely keep this going. Keep going. I like what y'all doing with y'all collabs. Like I said before, it's premium. It's premium. The leather from the tabs back here, all that. It's premium. I don't even know if this can come out. But yeah. Hard. It's premium. It's all premium. Got a little something back there. I'm not sure if I've seen that, but it's just the premium quality on it. And I think that's what we be missing on buying regular shoes, the quality on it. I got some stuff coming up just from in 2022, and I got some stuff that I'm sprinkling here from this year drops. I did hit on a couple shoes. Y'all gonna see it. Yo, we here now. We here now. Yo, do me a favor. Hit that like, comment. Hit that like button. Leave a comment. Hey, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Hit that notification bell, please. Please, please, please. That'll just keep y'all up to date on everything. Be okay. And if you got somebody that you're trying to send this to or anything like that, or you want them to subscribe, please, please share it. That's all I'm asking. Because we on the road to 1,500. I think we need like 80-something subscribers. So please share it. Get my name out there. Get your name out there, yo. We here. We here now. We here now. So, like I said before, stay blessed. Be blessed. And always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we